So if you see, our first question is y equal to x and x plus 2. So first you need to do a sketching part here. So if you put x and x plus 2 equal to 0, so this x will be equal to 0, and if you put this x plus 2 equal to 0, you'll get x equal to minus 2. Okay, let's put it on number line. So first one is coming minus 2 and here it is coming 0, and we need to check where it is positive and negative. So if you take any number greater than 0, okay, for this area, number greater than 0, so let's take number 10. If you put 10 here, so 10 and 10 plus 2, 12. If you multiply, result will be positive. And if you take any number between 0 and minus 2, then result will be negative. And any number less than minus 2, result will be positive. Okay, so let's sketch the graph and how graph will look like. Okay, so this is, so minus 2 will be here and 0 is here. Okay, and we are sketching graph. So after 0 it is positive, between 0 and minus 2 it is negative. So graph will be like this. Okay, so you are going to find this area, this yellow area we are going to find. Okay, so limits are minus 2 and 0, so our lower limit is minus 2 and upper limit is 0, and we need to integrate this x plus 2 into dx. So first of all, before integration, you just expand them. So it will be x square plus 2x into dx. Now integration of x square, it will be x3 over 3, and this will be 2 x square over 2. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and we can put the limit minus 2 to 0. So let's put 0 first. If you put 0, then everything will be 0 here in the first bracket. Now if you put minus 2, so it will be minus 2 cube. I am writing every single thing, minus 2 cube over 3, then plus, and x is minus 2 square. So this minus sign here, minus 2 cube is minus 8 over 3, and minus 2 square is 4. Okay, so minus 8 over 3 plus 4. If you simplify this, so it will be minus 4 over 3, and if you multiply, then answer will be 4 over 3. Okay, so that is your answer. So area of this curve is 4 over 3 units. So if we take y equal to x plus 3 and then x minus 3 and x. Okay, so what we need to do now, again sketching part. So this x is equal to 0. From here, if you put it equal to 0, you'll get x equal to 3. If you put x plus 3 equal to 0, you'll get x equal to minus 3. These are critical points. Arrange them in a number line. So first will be minus 3, then 0 and 3. And let's check where it is positive and negative. So I am taking this area. So any number greater than 3 you can take. So our favorite number is 10. Let's put 10 here. So 10 plus 3 becomes 13. 10 minus 3 becomes 7, and it is 10. If you multiply all these numbers, then you get positive here. So here it is positive. Because if this is positive, then this will be negative, this will be positive, and this will be negative. Yeah, they follow alternate ways. Not always. I have explained you. If equation is like this, whole square and x is coming, or x plus 2 whole cube is coming, then you need to check every every interval. Yeah, you need to check here, you need to check here, you need to check here. As there is no square, so you just follow alternate ways. Is that okay? So let's get rid of this to avoid confusion. Now our sketching of curve is, 1 minute. Yes, so our sketching of curve, it will be between -3 and 0. Okay, so let's do it here. So we can write down a -3, this is 0, and this is 3. Okay, let's sketch it. So after 3 it is positive, between 0 and 3 it is negative, so it is coming in negative direction. Between 0 and -3 it is positive, and after -3 it is negative. And you need to find area. Okay, you need to find area between the curve and x-axis. Is that okay? So there are two areas. One is this yellow area, okay, and the other one is green area. So here is slight change in the question. I'm explaining you bits by bits. So there are two areas, one is yellow, one is green. Yeah, so for yellow area, this area, we will integrate between -3 to 0, okay, and that is y dx. Okay, and for green area, I'm using different ink. For green area we will integrate, yes, so for green area we will integrate -3 to 0 and then y dx. Sorry, it is not -3, it is 0 to 3. So this will be 0 to 3. So let's rub it. So it is 0 to 3. Okay, now what is y? Y is this one. Yeah, so let's put the value here. Okay, so there are two integration. So first one and second one. So I'm doing first one first. So -3 to 0, yellow one. So it is x plus 3 and x minus 3 into dx. Okay, when you multiply it, so it will be, see, x plus 3 and x minus 3, if you multiply, it will be x square minus 9, and you times by x. So if you multiply x cube minus 9x, okay, let's integrate first. X cube integration will be x4 over 4 minus 9x square over 2. Okay, so if you put -3 to 0, you are getting 81 over 4. Yeah, if you put it in a calculator. Now for this integration, if you put 0 to 3, so again you will get the same thing, like x cube minus 9x, and you put 0 to 3. If you put 0 to 3, you get -81 over 4. Okay, now this is important. We need to add both areas. So first I'm taking yellow area. Yellow area is 81 over 4. So write down 81 over 4. Because this green area is below x-axis here, so we need to put negative sign. Remember, I repeat, because this area is below x-axis, so we need to put negative sign, and here it is -81 over 4. So if you multiply 81 over 4 plus 81 over 4, it will be 81 over 2, that is 40.5. So this will be your answer. I hope, is it clear? Guys, is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So what we have learned in this question, if any area is below x-axis, you need to put negative sign. Okay, that's it for today. So thank you very much.